flip any account size using this strategy. I use this strategy to grow this account by over 5 times. The first thing you have to do is to identify the trend, i.e. where price is moving. And you do this by looking at the higher time frame like the 4-hour. So here I could see the price was trading upwards and also price was following this ascending trend line. When I went to the lower time frame, I was looking for where can I take a buy trade in order to continue with the higher time frame trend. On the 1-hour time frame, I could see the price had created a bullish divergence as it came into the 4-hour trend line. So this signaled to me the price was likely going to reverse from the trend line and trade higher. I could also see the price had created a bullish impulse and also created a demand zone from which I was expecting price to trade higher. So I went ahead and placed a buy trade. Because this zone was quite big, I only placed one first trade and I was going to scale in if the price traded lower into the zone or if the price traded higher by setting buy stop orders. Price has moved deeper within the demand zone and I've placed a few more orders so that I can maximize profit on this trade. I'm also setting buy stop orders so that when the price starts moving up, it can take my orders and buy with them.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Price has moved as expected. I'm going to go ahead and close all my positions. For this strategy, you would use the divergences together with market structure for you to be able to identify a trade. So once you identify price forming a divergence, you identify an impulse in line with the direction of the divergence. Then you identify a supply or demand that you can trade from. And when price comes back to that supply or demand area, you go ahead and place your trade. If you want to learn more techniques that I trade divergences with, then like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of those videos.